Hello everyone, Rendisa with Adminovative here. Thanks for joining me for Tidbit Tuesday for the Digitally Savvy and Social Collective, or if you're joining me from YouTube or IGTV, thanks for joining me at Adminovative. So if you have been on my profiles at all, you may have seen me raving a time or two about Flodesk and Interact. Flodesk is a front end, or what you see is what you get, email platform, marketing platform that allows you to build gorgeous emails without the need for coding. And Interact is an interactive online quiz platform. They also do polls and host giveaways. So it's definitely something for those you influencers to check out for giveaways outside of the normal tag, like, and share kind of deals that you might run on Instagram and your other social media pages. So at the time of this video, which is October 2019, Flodesk is pretty newish, and they do not have integrations with other platforms or tools other than uh, um, Shopify. So what that means is if you're using a quiz builder or a giveaway or a poll or any other tools to help engage your audience and build your email list, you need to manually download the CSV files and upload them manually to Flodesk, whether you're arranging them by segments or just adding them to a general or uploading them to a general segment related to the quiz or the poll or the giveaway that you are running. There is a workaround, however, and that is what I'm going to be showing you today. And with this workaround, you are able to gather your opt-ins. People will opt in to receive the link to your quiz. They will take the quiz and they will be redirected to results pages based upon their answers or based upon their results. So the way that I have done it, anytime that I'm using a tool or a platform, whether it's something for courses or something for affiliate marketing, or in this case, my email builder, which is Flodesk or Interact, anytime that they have the option where I can take an embed code and embed the forms or for whatever it is on my website, that's what I'm going to do. I have a fully functional website. I'm going to direct them there. It's going to help me build my traffic. I'm going to gather those analytics. And hey, I have my pixel running. So when I ever do decide to run some kind of retargeting campaign or really get in there and dig into those analytics, I have that to my avail because I'm drawing all of the traffic to my website. So in the sense of this quiz and the results pages, from the opt-in to the quiz itself to the results pages, everything is hosted on my website. So let me get in here and get started and show you how I did that. So to get started with this method, again, all of this is pertaining to this method of how to create your quiz and have it hosted from opt-in form with Flodesk to the quiz itself to the results pages, how to have all of that hosted on your own website. So to get started, you're going to need, now for my quiz, I have 4 pages. Now the number of pages that you will have will vary depending on how many results you have for your quiz. In my case, I only have 2 results, so I have 4 pages. The first page is where I will house the opt-in form itself. And after the subscriber fills out the opt-in form, they are redirected to the quiz. Then when they take their quiz, they are redirected to one of the results pages. And here you'll see my results pages, which has a photo, some information about their results. I created a Pinterest board that would have some more information and then information about me, and just another call to action talking about outsourcing it and inviting them to my Facebook community and letting them know they'll be receiving another email shortly. So that's the whole page. And I have a similar build for the other result, just changed some of the information pertaining to their results. So let me show you how I did all of this. You're kind of working backwards. for this. You're creating your results pages, like the ones that I have here, or however you'd like to design them. Then you're going to go in and build your quiz. And because you'll already be collecting their email addresses for them to even you're collecting their email addresses from the beginning when they opt in to take the quiz. So after you're going to make sure that you have the lead capture function turned off. You're going to put in your questions, you're going to map your answers, and when you're all done with the styling and everything, right here where it says redirect results, this is where you're going to enter the URLs for the appropriate results pages. So here you should start outsourcing your creative tasks. I put the matching URL, and same for you should start outsourcing your administrative tasks. So that is done. And what you will do is hit publish. And to move to the next phase, you're going to copy the direct link. Hold on. You're going to copy the link, the embed link for your quiz. Now, it's important to note here, whatever method that you're using, make sure that the redirect host is enabled. So, so that it will take you to this snazzy page that you designed. It will take you directly to that page instead of doing it as a window within a window. So make sure that that is enabled. If you want it to auto size and all of that, it says JavaScript must use JavaScript. So we're going to copy this code. Now we're going to go into Flodesk and create our form. Again, I'm going to put this form on an existing web page. So I'm going to go with an inline form. And we'll just use this one here. I'm not going to build it all out, but I created a test segment. So you would match it to the appropriate segment that you want for this quiz. Save. And you design your form. It's up to you whether you want to be notified for every new subscriber that opts in, but I don't. And what should happen after this form is submitted? That's where you're going to put in oh, excuse me, I told you wrong. This is where you're going to put in the URL to the page that's actually going to host the quiz. So this is the second page. So you put in that URL and continue. And copy this code. This code here is going to go on the first page. So when you have your graphics from Pinterest or Facebook, where your call to action is asking people to take the quiz, when they click on that link, it's going to take them to this first page. And this is where they're going to opt in. So on this page, you're going to log into the dashboard and you're just going to put that embed code into an HTML block, and you're good to go. So you put the code into the HTML block and save. So for the second page, and I'm using B-Theme with Elementor specifically for this page. So the second page that's actually going to host the quiz, that's where this embed code will go. And again, you're just going to take it and put it into an HTML block and save. And that's it. You may want to, I know with mine, I had to put it within, I had to set 3 columns. Let me show you. So I had to set the quiz within in the middle of 3 columns and narrow down the columns just to make sure that it would center properly. And again, this is an HTML block. Just dragged it over and put the code in and hit save. So running, and that's it. So running the quiz, I'm redirected to the quiz itself, still on my website, and you see it's nicely centered here. And when you actually take the quiz, and as we see here, it will redirect to the appropriate results page, all within my website. So I hope they found this helpful. And again, this is until those integrations are made, whether it's through a Zapier, Zap, or through direct integrations with Interact itself. This is, either way, this is a great way to engage with your audience, because especially with these custom results pages that are interactive, or it shows that you really took some extra effort, stepped outside of the box to provide extra information to your audience. I will include the links, my affiliate link for the Flodesk. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, my affiliate link will get you 50% off of Flodesk right now, which would come out to you get a 30-day free trial, and then you are locked in at 50% off, which would be about $19 a month for what you see is what you get. Gorgeous front-end email marketing platform builder that is continuing to add more features every week. And I will also include my link for Interact, which will get you 20% off. And like I said, it will also enable you to build polls and giveaways in addition to your quizzes. So that's it for now. Take care.